Right, I'm in Poland at Carbone Liveries, catching up with my Porsche 964 build. For the past several months, the wonderful people at Design 911 have been sending an abundance of parts to this facility at Carbone, ready to install on my 964 turbo build. I'm here, I'm going to catch up with a car, and more importantly, catch up with the parts, and let's start getting them fitted. So this is Carbone. This is their amazing facility. These are some of the cars that they're working on at the moment. This 911 SE Targa, look at that interior. Oh, that interior's to die for, look at that. But I haven't come to see that. Oh my God. I've come to see this. That is just insane. Wow. Now, I'll be honest with you, I wasn't expecting it to look this good. That paint choice is insane. The way it reflects off of all these wonderful curves on the wide arch 964. Look at the interior. That is just, oh, I'm so happy. Wow, it's come such a long way. This car was literally in bits. This floor didn't exist when I last see the car. That side of it was bent. It's got a new roof. Wow. The inside just looks as good as the outside. It is fundamentally brand fire new. Look at that. That is, oh, I'm so happy. That is insane. Wow. I mean, it's just ready, isn't it? The car is now ready to accept being put back together. It's crossed that sort of, you know, that line where everything up until this point was anguish and desperate because it was bent and it was twisted. But now it's got to the point where none of the bad stuff is going to happen anymore. It's all good stuff because it's part fitment and getting it built back up. And fortunately, my friends at Design 911 have got me covered. All the parts have arrived here, ready to go on the car. But first, let's meet Pavel and Bezemik, and let's talk about the journey so far. God, that's exciting. Right, now, the last time I see this car, I almost want to be violently sick, because the last time I see it, it was just a frame. It was in Raphael's garage. You two said there was a huge problem with the car because it was bent in a lot of different directions. And I left here thinking this car, we might have to scrap it and get a new body. But thanks to Raphael and his work, and then going to the paint shop with Maurice and choosing the right paint, it looks like we have something we can all be proud of. So, I mean, this car's come a long way.
Yes, it has. Rafael have done really a good job, and he spent like hundreds of hours straightening this in different axes. So we had to also get a proper frame with all the mounts, so we are sure that it's all aligned and well done.
A little birdie told me, I heard a rumor that you actually, is this true? He actually did some work. That you
yeah,
actually,
I don't do it at all, but I was helping.
You actually helped on.
Yeah. Yes, it was my first attempt in body making, so I was just, you know, cleaning the world. So
fantastic. Well, thank you very much. I mean, in terms of getting the bodywork structure and straight, that's one thing, but then it has to go and be painted, and I chose a particular colour, and I wanted it in a particular way. Are you pleased with the way it turned out?
Look at that pearl. Do you like it?
I love it. Yeah, I absolutely love it. It's better. When I was here last, we went to the paint shop and we did a panel, and he didn't have, I think he called it the wow pigment that was missing.
What was that?
Wow pigment.
Wow pigment,
yes.
okay, okay.
He said there is another...
These were like kind of flat colors
correct.
Back then.
And he said there's another pigment that he's putting, it's called the wow pigment.
Yes.
And he said it will be amazing when it's painted. When I see that, I thought it was already incredible, but now with the wow pigment
Yes.
under these lights.
Yes.
It is the most insane color.
It's
it
very
really
interesting.
is.
Yes, it's interesting. It's deep and it's glossy, and I don't know how to call it, but I think it's amazing.
And
this was made by Mariusz himself at Kashkar.
Yep.
And together with this paint, you also got all the certificates for his job, which
His
is
job,
I think is very important for the cars like this.
Exactly, exactly. But then, because you're an artist, so first and foremost, he's the brains behind the operation, but you're the flamboyant artiste. This shape lends itself to this color, I think. You know, the curves on the bodywork on the wide body, I think this color really emphasizes the body on the car. Do you agree?
Of course, and I love the way it looks like. It's from that distance we see that pearl, and come here and look at it. It's like a flat color from here. Do you see it?
Down the side, yeah,
Yeah.
and then the pearl across the top. Yeah, it's amazing.
So you have two cars in one
In
car.
one car,
And
yes.
having those parts we installed, Rafał technically installed, you have a few cars.
Yes,
That's very true. That is very true.
That's why we always charge twice.
Yes,
Yeah.
once and then again. But the
What do you
quality.
watch?
Yes, exactly. The quality of see, that was the reason why I come to Carbone in the first place, and why we got together. With you guys, it's about creativity, and we're going to talk about the creativity with interiors in a minute. But it's about your obsession with quality. It's like this level that goes above, you know, the normal. You know, a normal guy would just paint the car and put the bits back on, but you go to a different level of the nuts and the bolts and the washers and the screws. Everything comes back as a different kind of quality.
Exactly.
And that's the thing about Carbone.
That's the way to do it. And thank you for your kind words.
Well, no, it's true. Talking of parts, going back on the car, we've got an abundance of parts
Yes.
that have come in. So we've been working, I always say to the audience, I say it's really important that you choose your partners that you're working with, and you know, you are my partners on this build. I hope, and you feel the same as me, that this is our car. It's not necessarily my car. This car's going to have Carbone written all over it, all over the world. But choosing your partners means choosing the right part supplier.
Of course.
We've been working closely with Design 911.
Yes.
Are you
Very closely.
pleased with the parts that they've been sending through and the quality?
Yes. So the whatever we needed, we together with you, we just ordered a Design 911, and they did a really good job because everything is available. It's here in 2 days to 3 days.
You know, choosing the right part supplier means that you're getting parts from people you can really trust. And with Design 911, we've got parts from their OE match range. That's the original equipment match range. Absolutely awesome parts. Also from MAN, from Bilstein. The panels come from JP Dansk, Powerflex, Goodrich, and Brembo. So it's really important that when you're choosing your supplier for parts, they've got the right people that you can trust.
We communicate very easily, and actually we have everything what is needed for this build.
Yeah.
We saved some parts that we decided that they only need some refurbishment and refreshing, but the rest, all of the parts are from Design 911, and they are top quality.
It's really important, isn't it, when you're putting together a package like this, that you need to have the right people that you can rely on.
Yes, exactly. So the same, like we chose Rafał for the body, we chose Kashkar, one of the best painters in Poland, and we choose Design 911 as the best supplier for the parts in Europe.
That's really kind words, and really nice of you to say so. And I'm so pleased with the way that everything has come together. There are a few little tweaks that we're going to make to the original design.
Yes, yes. We changed the color.
We changed the colour because they wanted white. They wanted white and blue.
Original.
They even preempted that we were going to paint the car white and painted the calipers blue because they preempted I was going to go for that, but I went for the green. So we're going to change the caliper colour, which is a discussion. This is where we need the creativity of Powell, because he's the artist. And he will come up with something wacky like pink or purple as a brake caliper. Yeah, like this. He will come up with something wacky, and it might seem strange, but it will work. It will be amazing. Talking of tweaks, to the
Yeah.
vehicle. We're also thinking of tweaking, now we've seen the paint, we're thinking of tweaking the interior.
Yes. of
So
course.
this is what you're famous for. So let's go and
Yeah.
take a peek at the interiors. You're well known globally for the most amazing interiors, right? This is what you do. Your interiors, I don't want to say the other big resto mod brand in America.
At least we try.
I think you do more than try. Your reputation in this world is up there with the highest echelons of Porsche builds. But now you've got something really exciting because you're now starting to print your own passion.
Yeah, we print, we fabricate and make from scratch new materials. I mean, we have the basis, we work on Alcantara leather or leatherettes or artificial leather, but we really work on it. So we have a lot of skills for perforation, for sewing, embroideries, and making embossing logos and stuff like this. So everything is getting possible, and we are still developing in this field.
So
And textile industry is a DNA of that city, so we understand those materials. We know how to deal with them, how to fabricate them, how to combine them. For example, look at this leather. It is technically, this is basket weave, not a fake pressed basket weave.
Yeah.
It's a real thing. When you touch it, imagine to compose, to make it, you need twice amount of leather because of the
of course, yes, to
Or
do
even
it.
more, yes.
And this is what you would find on those more $1 million expensive builds.
Yes.
This is exactly the same that
Yes.
you would find inside. Same quality, same material, probably come from the same people.
Yes.
And this is what you would find on those builds.
Yeah.
So yeah, the quality and but for you, particularly you, Paul, because you're the artist. I suppose with interiors, this is where your creativity can run wild. The world is your oyster. You are a blank canvas. You can paint the interior however you wish. I mean, I know that these are samples of some of the things that you do. You know, yellow, houndstooth, tartan, different tartan. But this is the kind of thing that you can let your imagination run wild and come up with something unique.
Yes, as I said, we love to combine materials, different structures. For example, having full black interior, we can play with structures of each material, combining textile with leather, with pressed leather, with basket with leather. That's a totally different
Sorry,
thing.
here is a great example.
Yeah,
of
so
it. Because
that is a
actually
really
black.
good.
It's actually black and white, but it's totally unique.
It's totally unique because it is just basically a black door card, but there's a different material, different stitching, different material. Everything is it's a different texture.
And let me explain. When you look at it, this is a woodland pattern. We made it using different sizes of dots, perforated dots. So there's Alcantara on top, and underneath is that beige Alcantara.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
It really is incredible. And obviously with you as well, you 3D print. This ain't going to fall apart. You make your own door buckets, you 3D print your own, so you can get a proper size water bottle in, and your iPhones and your cell phones, you make whole new door cards.
Yes, the door cards, the central console. So 3D printing is helping us a lot. You don't have to manufacture like hundreds or thousands of pieces. And thanks to 3D printing, we are ready to experiment and try with different shapes and remodel stuff, adjust it for the right car.
But one thing is important. Behind the design, there's an idea. Everybody can print something,
Everything,
anything, everything. But behind those door cards, there's an idea. They're designed retro-futuristic way, in terms of going back to the past, thinking about the future. We incorporated those shapes from sci-fi movies from 70s.
That's perfect. It is absolutely perfect. So last time I was here, It wasn't a good trip because, as I say, the car was bent and I was very upset. But one of the good things that happened is we did go and visit your good friend Kuba, and we chose some leather and we chose some ideas that we was thinking would work. But now, I think we all agree, now we've seen the car in the flesh, we're now thinking maybe we tweak the idea again. And we were talking yesterday about seat shapes.
Yeah.
So this is more of a classic seat.
Yeah, very, very classic. This is also classic.
But it's classic, but more like an RS, so it's a bucket seat.
Yes, yeah.
But this is the kind of seat that we expect to put into the 964 project, the Carbone, Turbone, we're calling it project. But you were saying, once you come up with your design and creativity in terms of the textures and the colours, you were saying that you can also do things like colour code the back of the seat as well.
As you see, yes, with this seat comes in white. I mean, we painted it to match the car that it goes into. So actually, wherever there are some elements that can be covered, it can be also covered in leather and stitched. But this one is painted. But yeah, there are no limits for customizing these pieces. Each piece can be different, but of course we try to keep it consistent with your idea and what we want to achieve as well.
Yeah, I like the way he says my idea. Almost every decision we make is a joint decision. It has to be right because it's got to look right at the end of it. This car's got to succeed, and I definitely think it will. So we are now at the exciting part, aren't we? So all the stress, all the dirty things, all the horrible things are done.
Yeah.
And now this is the exciting bit where it's new things going on the car and being creative with the interior. Are you looking forward to getting this car?
Of course, we can't just wait to put this stuff on the car as well as to get into the interior, because that's a new chapter actually, because we had to replan it. We have to rethink the interior because we changed the color from white to green. So actually our previous idea is that, it's you know, we have to do it again, but that's the fun part.
I'll buy another one.
Yeah.
I'll buy another one and we'll do one in white.
All right.
I got a funny feeling you'll delete my number from your phone. As soon as this is over, it'll be delete the block.
We moved.
We move. You won't be in Poland anymore. Well, I'm very excited. I know the audience are going to be really excited because the next time we see this car, hopefully it'll be a moving car, and people will get a chance to come and view the car. We're going to do a couple of reveals. One will be here in Poland at Carbone, and another one will be back in London at Design 911, and we're going to reveal the car in a couple of different places, and I know the audience and myself are really excited by that.
Great. We are very excited too.
Yeah, that's a great project.
It's great. Boom!